When I walked in, I had no idea what was going on. I didn't know how to use anything. It looked pretty technical, like I didn't know what to do, but it just basically showed me how easy it was.
I didn't know it was so simple and so easy until I tried it. I was just mind blown, and how much money you can make from it was also just breathtaking, honestly.
NEET stands for is not engaged in employment, education or training. Progressively, I started seeing them more confident, working on their laptops and designing things, and a lot of the things that they did design were very creative, which was really cool to see. Because I believe our rangatahi, our Polynesian and our Māori students are very creative. They just need like the right outlet. So I think 3D printing was perfect for them to express that. With the way the camp went and the prospects of our students continuing to learn 3D printing, honestly, the future looks exciting.